Let's get to work. Let's get to work. Yeah, you better buckle up. Strap in, hold tight, I'm a hustler. Taking what's mine, get to work. Yeah, run it. Let's get to work. Let's get to work.
Sybil, my love, my life, and my everything, we've been together for 6 years. Standing here with you feels like a fairy tale come true. Our love story started in Blue Building at Tolentino Street, España, Manila.
Cars at night, they always look like yours, fading into
Love, my favorite human and my unexpected soulmate. Our love story began with an empty seat and a bag that unknowingly reserved my heart's future.
I still remember nung pagbukas ng door and akala ko yung friend ko na yung dumating. But it was you, a beautiful, fair-skinned, charming, short hair na gupit lalaki. Yes, gupit lalaki ka noon, na halos parehas tayo ng looks. Pero ang lakas ng dating mo sa akin.
I can still remember that day you were wearing a navy blue shirt with white trim and matching shorts. I always thank God because you offered that empty seat kahit mawala na ng upuan yung friend mo.
Yung seat pala na nireserve ko para sa friend ko ay magiging seat pala ng forever ko. Buti na lang late siya. A big thanks to my friend because on that day, mababago pala ang buhay ko.
they always look like yours. The last time
Sybil, bukal ba ang iyong loob, ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Axel na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Axel, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Sybil na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
our love was slow motion. You made the world feel brand new.
Our relationship wasn't perfect. There were always ups and downs, like a roller coaster ride. And what I love about our relationship is that no matter what, after every argument, we always find our way back to each other and choose to be together even when it's not easy.
Pinapangako kong mamahalin at aalagaan kita hanggang sa aking humihininga.
And finally, we're getting married na. Ayun. And thank you so much for all the love that you've given me all these years. And ayun, I love you and can wait to see you sa altar.
Napakasimple lang naman ang gusto ko sa isang babae. Babaeng may pangarap sa buhay, babaeng handang ibigay lahat para sa pamilya, maka-Diyos, at lahat ng yon ay nakita ko sa iyo.
I started driving through the hills, told me
Ano siya, mapagmahal, responsible siya, and siguro kasi sobrang napapatawa niya ako.
Thank you, Mama Becca. Thank you kasi welcome kami lagi ni Sybil sa inyo. You treat us na anak, so mahal naman namin kayong lahat. Thank you. Thank you.
Be a good husband to your wife. Love and respect your wife. And do not forget also your brothers. And also like me.
A perfect sound.
Today, my love, I vow to stand beside you as your partner and your home. And I also promise to love and support your son, Popoy.
Dahil sa'yo, mas lalo ko pang naintindihan ang pagiging ama sa kanya. And I thank God for answering my prayer na dumating ang araw na to. We deserve this. I can't wait to laugh, cry, and grow old with you as we face our new chapters of our lives. I will cherish every moment na kasama ka sa hirap o ginhawa, sa lungkot man o ligaya, sa mga panalo o talo natin sa buhay. You are my home, my calm, my everything, and my forever. I love you.
I don't believe in destiny, but I might have to say your melodies, they're changing me. I'm yours forever.
Alam ko naman na center lagi natin si Lord. And may mga times talaga na nagkakaroon tayo ng clash, pero mahal na mahal kita. Kaya nga sabi ni Ninong Nolin, yes sir lagi, dalawang kamay, nakasaludo, pati paa. I love you, love.